Hey guys, Kayla from K Crochets here. Today I'm going to show you my favorite way of Tunisian crocheting on the side of a Tunisian crochet project. To get this nice gap-free seam line, we are going to be working onto the side of the Tunisian simple stitch and working through two specific loops. On the side of your work, you're going to notice there's the front loop and the back loop, and then if you keep turning your work all the way to the back, you'll find what I like to call the third loop. To connect these pieces with 0 gaps, you're going to need to work in the back loop and the third loop. So go ahead and place your hook under the back loop and use your finger to kind of push that third loop onto your hook. I do want to mention that this part is pretty tricky because that third loop is really tight, but I promise the struggle on this row is worth the end results. Just in case you need a little motivation, this is what your work would look like if you decided to only work under the front and back loop. See that gap? We don't want that. Unfortunately, faster is not always better. So let's continue learning the slow way. Go ahead and place your hook through the back loop and third loop on the next row. Yarn over and pull up a loop, remembering to keep those loops on your hook nice and loose. And that's it. You're going to continue to do that all the way across. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that follow button. Happy making!